Hello everyone. Today, I will explain whether it is really possible to borrow money from Cash App if you have no job. To check if you can borrow, open your Cash App and go to the Money or Banking tab. If the Borrow option is there, tap it. Then you can choose how much you want to borrow. Users have reported amounts between $20 and $500. The repayment period is typically 4 weeks, and Cash App charges a flat 5% fee. If you miss the deadline, a weekly late fee of about 1.25% can be applied. Now, about eligibility. Even without a traditional job, you might still qualify. But there are some important conditions. One requirement is that you receive monthly deposits into Cash App. For example, many users report you become eligible only if you regularly deposit a certain amount each month. Linking an external account that receives $500 or more each month may help you qualify. Also, some users say you need to use Cash App actively by sending and receiving money or keeping a stable balance. But there is a catch. Many reports and user discussions suggest that Cash App Borrow is a pilot feature, and Cash App does not guarantee everyone will see it. Some users say the option disappears or they lose access later. In other words, even if you do not have a job, you may or may not be able to borrow depending on your Cash App history, your deposit patterns, and how Cash App evaluates your risk. Thanks for watching.